Stellantis recalled some 2017 to 2018 Dodge Journey SUVs due to a headlamp issue where the amber side reflex reflector may not reflect enough light, potentially reducing visibility and increasing crash risk. Owners can check if their vehicle is affected by entering their VIN on the Kelley Blue Book website or contacting FCAUS LLC customer service at 1-800-83-1403. Here's a more detailed breakdown. The problem: the amber side reflex reflector in the headlamp assembly of certain 2017 to 2018 Dodge Journey vehicles may not reflect enough light to meet federal safety standards. The risk: this dim reflector could reduce the vehicle's visibility to other drivers, potentially increasing the risk of a crash. Affected vehicles: the recall covers Dodge Journey SUVs manufactured between August 2, 2017 and July 6, 2018. The fix: dealers will replace the headlamp assemblies free of charge.